Hey guys, I'm Q Park1023 and today I'm starting a new electronics project, making a drone. This is going to be a long series, so without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let me introduce you to the background. This is intended to be a hobbyist project and I'll do things the trial and error way. I will be using 4 cordless brushed motors and propellers which I bought from Taobao. Then, I stick them onto toothpicks which are cut in half as the arms of the drone. You may wonder why I've put the motors in an extended position. This is because of Newton's third law, the law of action force and reaction force. Here, I illustrate the principle of flight in this diagram. When the motor is turned on, the propeller exerts a force on the air below, pushing the air downward. A reaction force is thus created to counteract the action force of the propeller, pushing the propeller upward. If this force is greater than that of the weight of this drone, the drone is lifted. However, since the motors are located on the main perf board, the air blown would exert a force directly onto the perf board, pushing the drone downward, which makes the whole drone stall at ground and cannot take off. Thus, the motors must be extended to overcome this problem. After making the main frame of the drone, it is time for the electronics, which might involve difficult concepts that may seem hard to grasp for beginners. But stick with me. I hope that you will learn something new along with me. But this is it for this introductory video. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye!